Today, let's make something very simple and very comforting dashi chazuke. Warm dashi poured over rice. It's light, gentle, and full of flavor. Perfect when you want something easy, but still satisfying. First, let's prepare the dashi. Pour 4 cups of water and comb into a pot and heat it over medium heat. Warm the water until small bubbles begin to rise from the bottom, then turn off the heat. Add 1 ounce of Katsuobushi to the hot water. Do not reheat. Let it steep for about 3 minutes to draw out its rich umami essence. Avoid stirring or pressing the flakes. Doing so can cause cloudiness or bitterness. Stirring and heat your dashi until it's warm, not boiling, just gently hot. Add salt and usukuchi soy sauce to season lightly. Keep warm. Place from rice in a bowl, about half of a normal portion. Not too packed, keep it nice and fluffy. Now add your toppings. Today I'm using leftover salt salmon and some torn nori, a little katsuobushi. Pour the warm dashi over the rice. Listen to that sound. It's already comforting. Take a bite. It's soft, warm, and full of gentle umami. This is a kind of meat that makes you slow down and relax. If you enjoy this, please subscribe, and let's bring more simple Japanese comfort food into your kitchen. And one more thing, in Japan, when you eat chazuke, it's perfectly okay to make a little sound when you sip. In fact, it often means you are really enjoying it. So don't worry about being too quiet. Just relax and enjoy the moment. Have a flavorful day.